my name is Nitnoy. My mom forced me to wear a mask on this crisis. I have to listen to her. If not, no goodies for me. Oh no! My mom and I going to show you how to make face masks. Different style, no sewing machine needed. Please subscribe to my channel and thank you very, very much.
Make face mask without sewing machine. No sewing machine, no problem. You can make your own face mask. First, you're gonna need a handkerchief or any kind of fabrics. You can cut this 18 inches and 18 inches. Any color, any design you like. If you put like fashionable, like cartoon or any kind you think your kids gonna like it, just go for it. Go. This one, if I like this fabrics because 50% polyester, 50% cotton, because easy to breathe. If you chose more like 100% cotton, it's a little too thick. It's hard to breathe. But I like this one. Up to you, but I like this one. Any kind, if you don't have, this is like a handkerchief, you can cut any fabrics you have available at your home. You can make from t-shirt or any leftover fabrics you have at home. You don't need to sewing or you don't need any complicated with thread and needle. I'm gonna use this coffee filter. I'm gonna put inside my handkerchief, my napkin, dinner napkin. I'm gonna use the double because if one gonna be too thin. The next one, you can take out this one, hang in your ear, hold your ear, take out from the old one. This one you don't need it, but you just keep this one. I'm gonna show you how to do this. Or this one for the girls to tie the hair. I don't know what to call. Pick the one not too tight, not too loose, just right. Or if some kind of emergency, if you don't have any of this one or this one, you can use rubber band. Also the same thing, you can pick the one, it's not too small, not too large. If too large, it's going to get loose when you hook in your ear. Just perfect size. If in case you don't have this coffee filter or the filter, just use paper towel. Pick the one is nice thick one, but I like the one I got from Costco. Time you use this, you can throw away. Coffee filter. I'm gonna cut this size about 7 inches. This one 4.5. Like only one coffee filter, you can do it, but I prefer double. I gotta take it out, the hook in the ear from my old face mask. This one without sewing. Okay. You again sewing. Woohoo! With this hook for your ear, I tie it like this, but I would like to make it nice. I gotta just finish this work, make it look nice. When I finish it, I gotta show you again. It's done. I gotta turn outside in, inside out. Look good. Make just like 7 of them. Monday to Sunday. Monday to Sunday. Each time you wear, you can take the filter out, throw away, and you can wear this for a couple of days before you put in the washing machine. Try this. Stay happy and healthy. See you next video. Bye bye.